It gets what?
Blast.
Blast.
It gets blast.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
When it gets blast, na champion.
Yes, sir.
So this light gas which are getting collected at the center, okay,
Okay, sir.
it gets separated. ये यहाँ इकट्ठा यहाँ आ गया. Okay.
फिर जल्दी आ गया था.
What? What have you said? Please tell me once again. Please tell now, Babu. What happened? What have you told?
That's what I used to thought who said something.
Ayush,
Yes, sir.
tell me, Babu. What have you said? Nothing.
Why, sir?
Are you saying something?
Yes, sir.
What? Tell me. आप कुछ बोल रहे थे ना बाबू?
Sir, mother
Oh.
is telling for me.
Okay, no problem. I think that you are saying in the lecture something.
Okay,
So I think that you have a doubt, so I'm asking, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, then listen. This is made up of the light gases, na?
Yes, sir.
So it gets collected at the center, okay? And
Okay.
then the formation of sun takes place. What does it form?
Sun.
The sun.
Sun. Okay?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And these big sphere are getting separated from each other and it gets converted into the planets.
Yes, sir.
It gets converted into the
Planets.
planets. So that's in all these planets there was a Earth.
Sir, 1 minute, I'm coming.
Yeah, no problem. So any doubt in this section?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So that's what I am saying here, that you will discover in the science, that Earth has a very long history. आपको पता चला ना कि बहुत लंबी हिस्ट्री है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चल रहा था 2 or 300 million years ago. उसके बाद ये घटना है, लॉन्ग हिस्ट्री. आप देखो इतना छोटा स्टेटमेंट था ना. लिसन चैंपियन, दिस दैट द अर्थ हैज वेरी लॉन्ग हिस्ट्री. इतना छोटा स्टेटमेंट है ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
ये तो बच्चों को भी याद हो जाएगा. अर्थ हैज वेरी लॉन्ग हिस्ट्री. बट व्हाट अबाउट एक्सप्लेनेशन? इट इज बिग ना.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So that's why I am writing
Yes,
everything.
sir.
That's why I am writing everything. इसमें हर एक हेडिंग को आपको elaborate कर पाए. And when I will elaborate each and when I will explain thoroughly each and every point, then SST will become your favorite subject. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
You know that there are second way of study the past. Can I go towards the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Thank you. And what is the second point? The many people study the history of past. Study the history of
Sir.
past. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, there is very important thing is coming here. Can you guess what is the important thing? Okay. Now, can I tell you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, champions. So listen. How do we learn about the past? Okay, everyone know that sir, history is the study of past. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The big question is this: how do we study about the past? Okay. How do we study about the past? Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So it is the big question, the question number 3. How do we study about the? It is going according to your book, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how do we study about the past? Means कुछ लोग तो होने चाहिए ना? Those who
Yes,
tells
sir.
us about the study of past.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the first superhero of the history are coming, and the name is what? Can you all
EH
guess?
score.
First cell.
EH score.
No, it's a geologist.
Geologist.
First,
It is given your book or not?
Yes, sir.
So geologist. What is the study of geologist? Okay,
That you study the physical features of Earth.
Earth. Okay, to
Okay,
study
sir.
the physical feature of the Earth. Suppose that, suppose that this is the place. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is the place. After the million years of the process, okay, there is a collection of lots of soil are coming at the upper level. Okay, then the
Okay, sir.
geologist will come. They dig the earth. Okay, अभी नहीं. वो अर्थ को खोदेंगे. Okay, and
Okay, sir.
what will they do after some time? वो अर्थ को dig करेंगे पूरी तरह से. After the dig, they will tell you कि no, कुछ 100 साल पहले there was some other people are lived here. देखो, because there are the change in the soil. Okay, they will
sir,
search
their
the mount.
bones
Yeah,
and teeth remain.
no, their teeth remain will go up to the next one. Okay, it's
Okay.
archaeologist. Okay,
The paleontologist, archaeologist,
yeah,
anthropologist, geologist.
yeah. So geologist is what? We study the physical feature of the earth. They are only know about the physical feature of what?
Earth.
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 It. And you know what they will discuss about the physical feature means what? Physical features
Sir, for
like
example,
soil.
like soil,
Yeah,
stone, hills,
yeah, soil,
river,
stone, hills,
ocean, sea,
mm,
mountains.
hills,
All the
mountains.
things that are made by nature.
Yeah, very good. Mountains, rivers, sea. Okay,
Okay, sir.
rivers, sea, and
Excuse me,
ocean.
sir.
Yeah, 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 yeah. And other part
Sir,
of it.
how water is formed?
What?
How water is formed?
Okay, I am going to tell you. Other part of Earth. Okay, okay. Formation of
Okay,
water.
sir.
Firstly, do you know a surprising fact about the water?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me?
That is known as universal solvent.
Okay, okay. They are known as universal solvent. And what are the other things you know about the water?
So water can dissolve and more substances than any other liquid.
Okay. And one more surprising fact, you all are missing that. Can I tell you?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, it can to ice.
Okay, okay, okay. Can I tell?
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen, listen, champion. Listen. Water, the molecular formula of water is H2O. Okay,
Yes, sir.
all you know that about water, na? It's H2O.
Yes, sir.
It form with the H2. It form with the reaction of H2 plus O2, and then it form H2O. Got it?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
So this H2 na, H2 is very violent. Do you know what is violent? Do you all know what is the violent?
Yes, sir.
What?
Yes, sir.
That is fighter.
Yes, sir.
Violent means
Sir.
dangerous. Okay,
Sir.
attacking means when you will touch
Yes,
the
sir.
hydrogen gas, na, your hand will burn. Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir. It.
okay. This is also violent, and you know
Yes,
about
sir.
the oxygen. You know about the oxygen. It gives rise to the combustion.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what is combustion?
No, sir.
You don't know.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. To burn anything, na, oxygen is required.
Yes.
Yes,
If you
sir.
want to burn anything, then oxygen is required.
Yes, sir.
This is called as combustion.
Okay, sir.
With the lack of oxygen, you can't burn anything. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So with the help of this, now what will be happen? The combustion. Combustion is the process. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So formation of water will be takes place with the two violent thing, na.
Yes, sir.
ये जो हाथ पकड़ोगे ना जला देगा हाथ. When you will touch the hydrogen, then it will burn, and it will also increase the burning. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
लेकिन जब वाटर का फॉर्मेशन होता है बच्चों, देन इट इज नॉट वायलेंट. ये क्या करता है? ये आग को बुझाता है. फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर में यूज होता है. यस और नो?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
तो वाटर का जो फॉर्मेशन है ना, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ वाटर इज टेक्स प्लेस टू द टू टाइप्स ऑफ वायलेंट थिंग्स. ओके.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
तो
Excuse me,
what?
sir. Sir, I can't
Yeah.
see.
I think your next class is starting after 2 or 3 minutes.
Uh,
1 minute.
sir.
Your next class is going to start of the maths. I think that.
Now. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now.
Okay. So join the maths class. See you tomorrow. Okay, champions.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
How was the class?
Sir, nice.